How do you delete a task in Codex? Codex does not currently support a permanent delete task action in its UI app or CLI. So you cannot fully delete a task right now, but you can archive it. So if you hover over this one right here, you should see a button on the left side which says archive. You can click on and then click on confirm to archive it. You can also press the three horizontal dots here on the top and then click on archive threads, and this will archive everything inside. But this will keep it archived if you go to file settings and then archive threads, and you should find them here. You can click on the unarchive button to return them. But for workspace or enterprise integrations where the task objects are basically stored outside of the CLI, there are some technical methods that you can use to remove the task programmatically. So for example, you will use a PowerShell script that would basically call a delete API endpoint, which might look like something similar to this: remove AI Codex task, and then you would specify the task ID. Now this snippet of the script is from the OpenAI compliance PowerShell module, and it deletes a Codex task by its ID in an enterprise environment. So this is most likely is not a part of the standard Codex CLI, but generally the workaround is you can archive your tasks to hide them from the active view. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.